Hello children, good morning. Today I am going to teach you first lesson of EVS from NCERT book, and the name of the lesson is Going to School. As per our textbook, which tells us how children go to school in different states, now you will see in this video. Before I start, let me ask one question. How do you go to school? Some of you will say, ma'am, I go to school by bus. Some will say by auto, some by cycle, and few of you will say by walk. So you have so many options, whichever suits you go. Children live near school go every day by walk. Those who live little far, or in other words lives at a distance, they come by school bus, by school van, by auto, cycle, etc. Now I am going to show you one video. In this video, you can see picture of a big city where different type of vehicles are moving around, and our life is more comfortable here. Now, if you see the video, what else you observe? You can see so many vehicles are moving from one side to the other. Do you see all vehicles are moving from all sides? No, they are following the traffic rules. See, when the signal is green, the vehicle starts moving. What else you see in this picture? There is a metro train which is moving. People travel with the metro train also. But this picture is of a big city. Can you see such type of picture all over India? No, you cannot see, because life in big city is very different from other parts. Life is more comfortable in cities. People can move easily from one side to the other by using these vehicles. Now, here you can see the map of India. India is a big country with many states. Do you know, children, in India how many states are there? In India, we have 28 states, and each state has different physical features and climatic conditions. In few places, you can see huge mountains covered with snow with a very low temperature. In few areas, you can see the Rocky Mountains, waterfalls, rivers, big river, small river, valleys, desert, and few states are situated near the sea. In so much of diversities, how children go to school. When river comes on their way, how do they cross? In snow-covered areas, in the mountains, how children reaches to their school. Like in Jammu Kashmir, in state like Rajasthan, it is very hot due to desert. So in this lesson, you will learn about the children, how do they go to school in different states, and what are the difficulties they face every day while going to school. So let's begin with Assam. Now, what do you see in this picture? You can see the map of Assam and a bamboo bridge. Assam is situated in the eastern part of India. It's a beautiful place with full of greenery. The state shares its border with Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya, Tripura, and West Bengal. This state shares international border with Bangladesh and Kingdom of Bhutan. It is located to the south of eastern Himalaya with Brahmaputra river. Here this region experiences heavy rain during the rainy season. And few of the villages, they are not close to the city, or you can say to the roads. Connectivity is very small to the river side and waterlogging during the rainy season. So to reach to the other side, they need something to cross. They take the help of boats, but all cannot. So they make bamboo bridge. Bamboo is in plenty in Assam. It grows plenty in Assam. In the video, you can see the bamboo bridge. This bridge is made of bamboo and rope. When people cross, they have to hold one side with their hand and slowly they move and cross the river. In Assam, really their children are very brave. They face a lot of difficulties to get the education, but every day they go to school. Next, now we will talk about Jammu Kashmir. Here, Ladakh is situated and a beautiful place. In other words, you can call a cold desert. Here, temperature is extremely low. In the winters, most of the land is covered with snow. Now think how children go to school. To the left, you can see the pictures. One picture is of a snow-covered area on which these small children, they are going to the school. And below one is of a trolley that I'll show you in the next slide. First of all, let me tell you how the trolley is made. To cross the rivers are very deep, very wide and deep. So there is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the sides, it is tied tightly with the strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley, an open box made of wood attached with the rope. 4 or 5 of the children, they can sit in the trolley with the help of a pulley to move the trolley across the rope. And they reach every day to the other side. Every day they practice like this. Now see how children are moving on the snow. It's really very difficult. Walking on the snow in the mountains is not an easy task. These children, they are very brave. Every day with their heavy bags, they go to school. Next is a sledge. Sledge is also a kind of, you can say, a mode of transport in snow-covered areas. It is without wheels and easily it can move on the snow. This is the picture of Ladakh city. All around you can see the snow-covered mountains. It is also a kind of trolley, a rope way. I think you have seen near Rishikesh also, in Nainital and some other hill areas where the tourist goes. People can move from valley to the top with these ropeways. It is totally covered. It's not so risky. People easily can sit inside and can reach to the top. Thank you so much. I think you like this lesson very much. Now coming to the worksheet. My first question is, which state use this mode of transport to reach the school? You have to write the name of the state. Coming to the next question, name the type of bridge shown in the picture. You have to identify the picture and write the name of the bridge. Next question is, in Ladakh, how do children go to school? How do children go to school in Ladakh? You have to write the mode of transport the children use. They go by walk, they use trolley, they use sledge, so you can write any two. Next question is, what is trolley? Draw a picture of a trolley. The last question, make a model of a bamboo bridge or a trolley using the waste material. You have to make only one. Out of these two, you have to make only one.